This short in seconds, say what matters. China has strongly condemned the recent US military operation that resulted in the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores, calling it a clear violation of international law. The Chinese government urged the United States to immediately release the couple and stop efforts to destabilize the Venezuelan government. In an official statement posted on Sunday, the Chinese Foreign Ministry said, China expresses grave concern over the US forcibly seizing President Nicolás Maduro and his wife and taking them out of the country. The US's move is in clear violation of international law, basic norms in international relations, and the purposes and principles of the UN Charter. This marks Beijing's second public statement on the issue since the operation, highlighting its concern over the unprecedented military intervention. The operation, named Operation Absolute Resolve, was carried out in the early hours of 3rd January and involved over 150 aircraft striking Venezuelan military installations. The US Special Forces disabled Venezuela's air defenses and successfully extracted President Maduro and his wife from Caracas. The raid has been described by US officials as a demonstration of overwhelming military power, but it has drawn strong international criticism and raised questions about legality and regional stability. China's statement reflects broader concerns among international observers about the implications of unilateral military actions. Beijing emphasized the importance of respecting sovereignty, international law, and UN principles, warning that such interventions could set a dangerous precedent. Analysts suggest that China's response may influence other global powers and international organizations to call for restraint and a diplomatic resolution to the crisis in Venezuela. The US operation and China's subsequent condemnation have further heightened geopolitical tensions, with attention now focused on the potential international diplomatic fallout and the future political trajectory of Venezuela. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.